Good day, ma'am. My name is Johanna S. Mancao, and I am going to discuss the content of the poem that I've choose and also the background that I've made in this classwork. So first and foremost, the poem that I've choose is a song of Maria Clara. So the song of Maria Clara is a powerful and emotional piece that speaks of love for one's homeland, the warmth of family, and the sadness of being far away. It is one of the most beautiful poems written by Dr. Jose Rizal, appearing in his novel Noleme Tangere. So the lyrics capture the deep attachment Filipinos have to their motherland, emphasizing how even death is bearable when no one is surrounded by love, but how sorrowful it becomes when one is alone without a home or family. So I choose this song because it resonates deeply with me. It reminds me of the importance of home, family, and identity. In a time when many Filipinos leave their country to seek a better life abroad, the poem's message is still relevant. It speaks to the longing of those who are away from their loved ones. So, the imagery in the poem is powerful, and I wanted to bring that to life by choosing a meaningful background. To visually enhance the song's meaning, I selected a background with a lady wearing a Filipiniana, a figure of Dr. Jose Rizal with the sun behind him, three mountains, and a sunset. Each element was carefully chosen to reflect the poem's themes: love for one's homeland, nostalgia, sacrifice, and the passage of time. So why I chose the song of Maria Clara? So the song's lyrics express the feeling of belonging. The first stanza describes the happiness of being in one's homeland, surrounded by familiar sights and loved ones. The sun rays symbolize warmth and peace, and the breezes that sweeps the shore give life. These lines create an image of a peaceful, happy life in one's own country. However, as the poem progresses, it takes a more melancholic tone. It reminds us that life is only true sweet when one is with family and surrounded by love. Without these things, even the beauty of one's homeland feels empty. So this contrast between warmth and sorrow is what makes the poem so touching. So I was drawn to this song because it speaks of something universal: our need for home, love, and belonging. As Filipinos, we take pride in our deep love for family, and this song perfectly expresses that connection. But it also reminds us that home is not just a place, it is the people who make it special. So, relating the lyrics to my reflection: sweet are the hours in one native land, where all is dear, the sunbeams bless. These lines immediately set the mood of the poem. They describe the happiness of being in one's own country, where everything feels familiar and full of love. The phrase sunbeams bless symbolizes the warmth and comfort of home. This is why I included the sun behind Rizal in my background. The sun represents enlightenment, a hope, and the blessings of the homeland. Just as the song speaks of the sun's warmth, the image of the sun behind Rizal reminds us of the beauty and light of the Philippines. Life-giving breezes sweep the strand, and death is softened by love's cares. So this part of the song suggests that even death feels peaceful when no one is in their homeland, surrounded by love. It emphasizes the presence of family and home makes life meaningful. So to reflect this, I included a tree in the background. Trees symbolize life, stability, and deep roots, just like the poem speaks of the gentle breezes that bring comfort. A tree represents the strength of our connections to our homeland. So it reminds us that no matter where we go, our roots will always be in the Philippines. Warm kisses play on mother's lips, on her fond, tender breast, awakening. So these lines highlights the unconditional love of a mother. It paints a picture of a child embraced by their mother, feeling safe and cared for. So this is why I choose to include a woman wearing a Filipiniana in the background. She represents Maria Clara, but more importantly, she symbolizes all Filipino mothers, loving, selfless, and strong. Just as the poem describes a mother's love, the Filipiniana clad woman in my background reminds us of the nurturing care that makes home special. When round her neck, the soft arms slip, and bright eyes smile, all love partaking. So this part of the poem speaks of the joy of childhood, of being close to one's mother, and of experiencing love in its purest form. It is a reminder that true happiness comes from the people who care for us. So in my background, this emotion is reflected in the sunset. Sunsets symbolize nostalgia, endings, and cherished memories. So the golden glow of the sunset reminds us of the warmth of childhood and the love that stays with us, even when time passes. Sweet is death in one's native land, where all is dear, the sunbeams bless. So this line repeats the idea that even death is sweet when one is home. It reflects the idea that life is most meaningful when it is spent in the place where one truly belongs. So this is another reason why I included Dr. Jose Rizal in the background. Rizal gave his life for the Philippines, proving that love for one's homeland is the greatest sacrifice. His presence in the background remind us of the poem's deeper meaning, but true fulfillment comes from being connected to one's homeland. Death is the breeze that sweeps the strand. Without a mother, home, or love scarce. The last lines of the song take a sad turn. They remind us that death feels lonely and empty when one is far from home, without family or love. It contrasts with the earlier parts of the poem where home is described as warm and comforting. This is why I choose mountains in the background. Mountains represent strength, but they also symbolize distance and separation. Just as the poem speaks of being without home or love, the mountains create a sense of longing. They remind us that being far from home can feel like standing on the other side of a vast landscape, separated from the people and places we love. So in conclusion, I chose the song of Maria Clara because it captures the deep emotions tied to home, family, and belonging. The song speaks of the joy of being in one's homeland and the sorrow of being without it. It reminds me that love and home are the most important things in life. To complement the song, I carefully selected a background that visually represents its themes. The elements in the image, Maria Clara, Rizal, the sun, a tree, mountains, and a sunset, bring the poem's emotions to life. Through this song and background, I hope to express a deep appreciation for home, family, and the sacrifices made for love and the country. Just as Rizal wrote about the beauty and sorrow of home, this reflection is my way of honoring the same feelings. So that will be all. Thank you so much.